One of Sri Lanka's most fascinating and magnificent tourist attraction is the Sigiriya Lion Rock. This UNESCO World Heritage Site consists of a massive, unusual rock fortress that is unlike anything else on the planet. Sigiriya, Sri Lanka is located in the country's central province, in a historically significant region with several ancient ruins. The rock is relatively isolated, and Dambulla, the next significant town and transportation center, is around 20 miles away. This is one of Sri Lanka's most fabled locations, with a castle that goes back centuries and has served numerous purposes and met many regulations for local monarchs, rulers and religious leaders. It's a magnificent example of old building and human creativity, and one of Sri Lanka's top tourist attractions. There are thousand-year-old ruins, as well as unusually well-preserved rock art and paintings, as well as huge gardens that have been landscaped throughout the time and surround the massive rock itself. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Sigiriya may be visited at any time of year as long as you are willing to risk heavy rain during the wettest months. The dry season in the region lasts from April to September, while monsoons are common outside of that time. The busiest season, when the rock might be totally crowded, is of course the dry season, so if you don't mind getting a little wet, going during the monsoon can be an opportunity to see this amazing landmark with few people about. It's recommended to arrive as early as possible while visiting Sigiriya, to escape both the intense heat and the worst of the crowds. Climbing a massive series of stairs to the top of the rock is best done early in the morning to prevent overheating in the hot Sri Lankan sun. Sigiriya is one of the most amazing relics of Sri Lanka's previous civilization. Because of the massive lion's paw carved at the entrance protecting the way in, that gigantic rock's name translates to English as the Lion's Rock. The rock, which stands about 200 meters tall, is a geological relic of a long-extinct volcano. The giant rock is impressive enough on its own, and that's before you even begin to consider the long history and the incredible ruins that are found here. The region has been inhabited for thousands of years, with early Buddhist monks among the first to seek refuge in the huge caverns carved into the rock.